Every year, over 50,000 camel bones cross international borders into America. Not for museums, for science.
Watch the chains, make sure they're tight. All right, clear to move. Tapping solid. Thickness is good, over 3 millimeters.
Medium grade inlay.
This one warps slightly, reject.
From $12 per pound to $800 per pound for finished inlay. A single camel bone. $4,800 pieces, cut individually by hand. 240 hours of master craftsmanship.
The difference between raw craft and luxury art. Professional finish application doubling the value of 200 hours of labor.
$1,200 just to ship.
White glove delivery service.
Two-man team.
Room placement installation.
Because when furniture costs as much as a car, protection isn't optional.
Okay, we'll place it right here by the window.
That looks absolutely perfect, thank you.
Oh my goodness, it's absolutely stunning. The inlay work is even more beautiful than I imagined.
It arrived in perfect condition, ma'am.
Slide it just slightly more centralized. Yes, that balances the room perfectly. Excellent work.
Curtain center. The walnut really highlights the crest detail in the inlay. Yeah. And with the augmented reality, you can see how it fits perfectly in the...
Pay close attention to the blade tension here and the angle of the cut. It must be rhythmic.
And the breathing, master.
Yes, steady breath for a steady hand.
4 centuries ago in Rajasthan, India, artisans created furniture for emperors. Today, in work,
the artisans meticulously hand-carve each piece. Notice the precision here. We have the samples right here so you can feel the texture.
All documentation verified. You may proceed with the seal.
We source bones as a byproduct from the meat industry that would otherwise be discarded, creating value from the waste stream.
Best coffee in the county right here.
Definitely. Are you heading to the training session later?
Yep, looking forward to it.
Initially hesitant about the price, but seeing the craftsmanship in person changed everything. This isn't furniture, it's functional art.
Colby, use gentle circular motions when applying the wax. And remember, we offer annual maintenance to ensure your 50,000. Ensure the inlay is flush with the grain. Feel that?
Yes, I see the alignment now. Thank you, Master.
$780 million annually, 15% yearly growth, despite economic cycles.
From ancient camels grazing Middle Eastern deserts to luxury American homes. From raw bones worth $12 per